cake.
Etridge will punt it away, and Napier's got it at his own 25. Past the 40, 20, and in for a touchdown.
I can't break, that's the thing about me. I won't put these goals on freeze.
Tentacle takes the snap, gets rid of it deep, has a man caught. That's Bostic. He's in for a score. Touchdown Aztecs. Handoff Sutton towards the goal line. He is in. Touchdown Sutton.
I been running, keep on gunning, step in frame on your word. It's what you hear, not what you heard.
The kick is on the way to our left from Placencia, and it is up and good again.